good morning, and thanks for stopping by. This morning, I'll be making fried potatoes with some potatoes that I had boiled yesterday for another dish, but decided not to use. So I have these boiled. I have some ham, parsley, I have an onion, and I have some banana peppers that have just turned red. Something that I had in my little garden in the back. Some salt, pepper, some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little turmeric for color, and some mozzarella and cheddar. I'm gonna chop these potatoes up, my onions and my parsley and my ham, and I'll be right back. Take all of the seeds out of your pepper, because the seeds carry most of the heat. Unless you want it really hot, just remove the seeds. This is a mild pepper though. Okay, I'm heating up this pan first. We're gonna add a little oil because we're gonna cook up the ham and the onions and the peppers a little bit.
They would set themselves up in a position to block the surveillance cameras and to block the doors of the slot machine itself. Then we would have to have a fight between Washington, Steele, once they agreed to it, someone would go out and inform them that these guys, these people failed, it's the book. Nick Rash enters the casino with his equipment under pressure. And goes to work on
For about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, that's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to move these and set them to the side. We're going to add in our potatoes.
That delivers the oxygen you need around the clock. It never needs refilling. With the power reusable rechargeable battery, and you can even plug it into the power port in your car. Imagine taking a nice drive or even a road trip and not needing to load up the car with a bunch of tanks. It comes in a convenient backpack, hip bag, or carry bag. Plus, it's ultra quiet, so it's easy to sleep with, go to restaurants and movie theaters.
If it wasn't for the one, we couldn't go to the theater, we couldn't go to concerts, we couldn't go to nurseries, all the things we both like to do.
And the engine license for the FAA requirement, so you're free to fly anywhere you like.
We're going to Maui next week. This is wonderful.
Why wait? You can reclaim your freedom and independence too.
As far as I'm concerned, the engine unit will put me back to where I was before I was sick.
Don't get anything. Wait for the lifesaver. It'll change your life forever.
You really should
Add
try
some salt.
engaging. There's a world out there, and you could be part of it just like everybody else who doesn't have oxygen on.
Thank you,
Pepper.
everything, for giving us back our life.
Engine is the global market leader. Be careful not to accept imitation
Garlic
or
powder.
substitutions. Your Engine 1 may be covered by Medicare or other insurance at little or no cost to you. Don't delay.
And some
Take
turmeric.
the first step towards living the life you
Not much.
deserve today. Pick up the phone and call now to get our free information kit.
Call 1-800-351-0494. That's
Add a little more oil.
1-800-351-0494.
And we're going to cover.
Rigging a massive slot machine jackpot at Harris Hall to Nick Rash.
This thing that collects on the top is going to help cook your potatoes.
But we found out they were conducting meetings
Through the Colonial Penn
After you check and see that they started browning, you just turn them.
with coverage options for just $9.95 a month. That's less than 35 cents a day.
If they stick a little bit, don't worry, just add a little water.
And your assistance is guaranteed. You cannot be turned
They
down.
are still going to come out beautiful.
See what coverage you
And these you don't have to cook that long,
95 cents a month.
maybe about 15 minutes or so because they've been pre-cooked. Remember I told you I boiled them the day before for another dish.
505-1731 for your free
And
information.
since I didn't use them, I'm using them for this right here. But it shouldn't take that long. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna
Nick
add
Crash was released on
my,
probation in 2004. His name
ham,
has been
onions,
added
and
to the
peppers.
Nevada Gaming Control Board's Black Book, a list of people
In there.
barred from casinos for life.
It's like Steve's right now.
Tossing them around. Looking yummy, as you can see.
His gang had more than 600 of America's
Don't let that go about. But 3 more minutes. Don't forget to cover. Meanwhile, while the potatoes are finishing up, I'm just going to cook my eggs.
Two of the most exquisite Tiffany lamps in particular. The shades
Yeah.
alone
Oh, so you don't get shells in.
$150 each.
The burglars had escaped with art and antiquities worth more than $1 million. Their biggest score yet.
They were a thorn in our side that was unbelievable. It was an extremely frustrating investigation. I mean, I just can't describe it.
The mastermind police couldn't find was an unassuming Boston gambler who executed America's greatest burglary spree and made himself miserable.
Waiting forever. Whoa! Way too dangerous, Bill. Say goodbye to that ladder. Way too close.
Silver, jewels.
Turn the pot off. Remember our parsley.
You found information.
I'm going to add some in.
What was a saleable item and what was needed and what he could get rid of. And then just took it from there.
Next, Flynn approaches gallery owner Michael Phillips.
Phillips was an art dealer of some reputation on Newbury Street in Boston, which is the center of the
We're going to plate some up.
That night, the gang prepares for the burglary.
They would dress all in dark clothing. They would wear gloves. Never left print evidence. Rubber soled shoes. Quiet. They were just appropriately for a night entry.
Half a mile away from the mansion, Quinn drops Gallagher and Flynn off in the woods. Flynn orders one last precautionary measure to make sure no one's home.
Quinn would go to a
And the eggs.
phone and he would dial the location. If there was no answer, then they were able to break into the house.
But before breaking in, Flynn does the last thing anyone would expect. He alerts police to his own burglary by triggering the alarm a mile from the house.
And the
Where
cheese.
investigators will never find the evidence.
They retie the lines together so that you would not be able to determine that the cut had been made.
They'd listen to us by these police scanner. They knew the police would come.
Copy that, then find
A little more.
the police would then check the home, and of course it had not been burglarized yet.
And there you have it.
Telephone lines and the alarm system.
Fried potatoes
but could not
with
see
onions
the
and
lines
ham.
cut. And they were just
Hey,
assuming
thanks for
someone
hanging out
was
with me.
searching
I had a good time. I hope you did too.
With the
And remember to
clear,
pray. Then pray some more.
Flynn feels garden
Pray for her, pray
from
for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share.
deal with the guard dog.
And until next time, friends, be well.
But his love for animals.
Later.
As soon as Charlie walked in the house, the dogs would come up.
Sorry, had to rush out. Husband is hungry. Bye.
In the main